Hi everyone, I'm Ariel. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making a fried dessert, sesame balls. Originated in China, this dessert has become very popular in many other countries like Japan and Korea. If you have access to a Chinese bakery, chances are you're gonna find it there. Try one and see if you like it. For those of you who are interested in learning how to make it yourself, please keep on watching this video. There are many ways to make sesame balls, and today I'm sharing with you the most basic recipe with only a few ingredients. Here are what you need for this recipe. For the dough, you need only 3 ingredients: 100 grams of flour, 40 grams of powdered sugar or icing sugar, and 7 ml of warm water, about 130 degrees. This recipe makes 8 sesame balls. You also need 100 grams of filling of your choice. Traditionally, this dessert is made with red bean paste. Here I'm using both red bean paste and lotus seed paste. You will also need 100 grams of white sesame for coating and a small pot of oil for frying. For making the dough, put warm water into your powdered sugar, whisk to let it dissolve. Put the sugared water and flour into a big bowl, mix until it forms a sticky dough. Keep kneading the dough for several minutes until it forms a smooth ball. Don't overmix. Now roll the dough ball into a log and cut it into 8 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a ball, put them on a plate, and cover with cling wrap to prevent drying out. Divide the filling in the same way and make 8 balls of these as well. To form the sesame balls, take a dough ball and put it on your palm. Press the center to make an indentation while turning it in your hand. Your goal is to shape it until it resembles a mushroom cap. Do not make it too thin or too flat. When you have your mushroom cap, take a ball of filling, put it on top, and gradually use your thumb and your index finger to push the dough up to cover the filling. When the filling is all covered up, roll the ball again between your palms to make sure it's round. Then put it back to the plate and cover with cling wrap to keep it moist. Finish all 8 balls with the same method. Now let's see that one more time. Press, turn, press, and turn. Add the filling, push up, 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 and roll again. Now you're done. That wasn't so hard, was it? Now you can finish all 8 balls with the same method. When you're done wrapping all of them, put them into a bowl with sesame seeds to coat. One little tip: if you find the sesame seeds don't stick to the dough balls easily, then wet the dough balls with a little bit of water before coating and the seeds will stick. Roll again between your palms to make sure all the sesame seeds are firmly pushed into the dough and won't fall off. Now we've made the sesame balls, let's fry them. Pour a good amount of oil in a saucepan and use medium to low heat to heat up the oil to warm, about 300 degrees Fahrenheit. The oil should be enough to allow your sesame balls to sink in it completely with room to spare at the top. When your oil is ready, drop the sesame balls in to cook them slowly. If you see little bubbles forming around the balls quietly, you are doing it right. Don't wait until the oil is piping hot. It takes a little bit of time to cook these guys. If you wait for the oil to get really hot, the sesame coating will get burned before the inside is cooked. When big bubbles start to rise to the top rapidly, use a pair of chopsticks or tongs to turn them and move them around for even frying. Cook them on low heat until they float to the top, around 4 to 5 minutes. Once they're all floating, crank up the heat to high and keep moving the sesame balls around. Fry until the outside has developed a nice golden color. Take them out to place on paper towel to drain the excess oil. When frying, keep an eye on them, especially towards the end, not to let the sesame seeds burn. The freshly fried sesame balls are extremely hot on the inside. Set them aside for a few minutes and then you can enjoy them. Like it if you enjoy this video and subscribe to my channel for more fun Chinese recipes just like this one. You can also follow me on social media to see what I've been up to in my search for more delicious Chinese dishes. Thanks again for watching and see you next time. Bye!